What is the easiest way to make money on Clickbank? If you have absolutely no email list or social media following, no money to spend on ads, and not much time, how can a complete newbie get started? Well, in this video, you're going to learn the best strategy to make $200 per day on Clickbank as a complete beginner. And what's really cool about this is you can make a lot more than $200 per day with this method. In fact, my friend Joshua Elder made over $10,000 in a single week with this strategy. So if you're looking for something that works, then this is the video for you. But please remember that in order for this to work, you need to watch this video in full and take action. Nothing works unless you do. So without further ado, let's get right into things. The very first thing that you're going to want to do is head on over to clickbank.com. And again, if you haven't already done this, you'll want to click on the sign up button and create yourself a free account. This is pretty easy to do. Doesn't really take much time at all. It's pretty self-explanatory. Just fill in the basic information, click on continue to terms and conditions, click on I agree, and then click on join Clickbank, and they'll probably have you, verify your email. Once you do that, then you can of course get logged into your Clickbank account, which I'm gonna of course do right now actually. So once you get logged into your Clickbank account, the very first thing that you're gonna wanna do is head on over to the top up here where it says Marketplace, and this link right here will take you over to this page right here where you of course check out the different products and you can see exactly what is available. So the way how Clickbank works is they have a ton of products, primarily digital products, and it's products ranging in a whole bunch of different niches. So it's products relating to arts, betting systems, business, computers, cooking, food and wine, health and fitness, home and garden. There's a whole bunch of different niches you can get into, tons of different types of products you can promote. So whatever it is that you want to promote online, you could just select that niche and see exactly what is available. So in my case, I'm going to go with the e-business and e-marketing niche, because this is of course the niche that I like most. And there's a ton of products right here that you could promote and get paid a commission on. So the way that this works is anytime you promote one of these products, this shows how much you can get per sale with that product. So for example, if I want to promote this Commission Hero product right here, right? One sale of this product right here would bring in a sale of $364.05. Now imagine if you can make one sale of this specific product every single day. That right there is $364 that you're getting per day just from that one sale alone. So let's say, for example, that you want to promote this product right here. The very first thing that I would recommend that you do is check out the actual sales page. So to do that, you just click on the title, and this will bring up the sales page that you can of course check out. And here's where you can learn more about what it's all about. So it says #1 Clickbank affiliate in the world shares free training how you can generate thousands of dollars. They have a video that pretty much goes over what it's all about, and then you could register for like a free training. And at the end of the webinar, he introduces like full coaching program, and you can get inside, and you could also promote this and get commissions whenever someone decides to enroll in that program right there. So here it shows some of his results right there. It looks like he's gotten quite a lot of commissions, and again, it pretty much goes over exactly what it's all about. So what you would of course want to do is go through this entire product and learn more about it. What I would also recommend is maybe even buy the product yourself, go through it, make sure that it's something that you truly believe in, test it out, make sure that that's something that you feel you could promote with moral authority, and make sure that's something that you feel others can actually benefit from as well. You don't want to just recommend anything and everything just for the sake of making a quick buck online, because there's a lot of affiliates that do that, and I just feel like it's just a very just disingenuous way of marketing online. So I always recommend only promote stuff that you truly believe in. Don't expect anyone to buy something that you aren't willing to, of course, go through yourself. So that's just one thing that I of course want to mention right there. But let's say, for example, that you went through this product right here, you got lots of great value from it, got results with this training, and you decide that you want to market this exact product online. What you could do is you can click on the promote button right here, and right here it's going to open up a separate window. From there, usually it would give you your own affiliate link, but in this case, it looks like the vendor wants the affiliates to, of course, apply to be approved. So in this case, I would have to click on this link right here. This will open up a new tab, and here's where I could, of course, sign up to become an affiliate for this product right here. So right here it says request to be a JV affiliate. Right here you put in your Clickbank ID. So I would just type that in right there. First name, I just fill in the basic information. And then, once you, of course, do that, you can click on the submit button, and from there you'll have your own affiliate link. Now, in this case, because I couldn't get my own affiliate link right away, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pretend that this link right here, the default sales page link, is my affiliate link. So the way how this would work is once you have your own affiliate link that you can promote, your own unique link, anytime someone would go through that link and they decide to register for the training, they, of course, enroll in it, and they decide to buy that product, you then get paid that commission. So that's pretty much how all this works in a nutshell. But the question is, how can you make money on Clickbank if you are a complete beginner? And this is assuming that you have no experience, you don't really have much of a following, you don't have much to spend on paid advertising, and maybe you don't have lots of time either. How can a complete newbie get started when it comes to promoting products online without a following, without lots of money to spend, and without lots of time? Well, the best way, I truly believe the #1 way to market products online as a complete beginner and start getting in profit very quickly, is with something known as product reviews. Now, there's a few ways you can go about this, one of which is by creating video reviews. So if I were to look up Commission Hero Review, this will bring up a list of people who have done video reviews of this program right here. So there's a few videos that came up. One is from Arie. I've been following him for a while, and there's a few other video reviews of other people talking about this exact product right here. Now, one question that you might have on your mind is, well, if there's a lot of people talking about this exact product right here, and there's lots of competition, how can someone like myself create a video review and get sales very quickly? So I'm going to address that a bit later on in the video, so you're going to, of course, want to watch till the end. But keep in mind, when it comes to product reviews, right, here's something that I want you to really think about. Anytime someone searches up product name plus review in the search bar, they're very likely in that buying mode. So, when someone searches up Commission Hero Review, they want to know exactly whether or not this product is going to be worth it for not. And in this case right here, it shows that the search volume for this product is 1,600 searches a month. So that's quite a lot of search volume that this product is getting. And keep in mind, if you have lots of people that are interested in buying this exact product, you really don't need that many views in order to start making money with this exact product. So in this case, this guy right here has 225 subscribers, really not that much when you think about it. He has almost 1,000 views, and he's ranking in the top 3 spots for this exact video right here. So you could probably imagine that this guy is making quite a bit of money, because even if just 5 people bought this product, out of the 900 people that watch, and we're being super conservative right here, that is $364 that he's getting per single sale. So you do the math on that. 5 sales of this, I don't feel like getting out my calculator, but that's easily well over $1,000 that he's made just with that one video alone. So really think about that for a minute. If you're promoting products that are in the high ticket range, and you're putting out lots of great reviews, you're pretty much going over all the the details of what it's all about, what are the benefits, what are the pros and cons, and whether or not someone should pick that product up. If you give a well thought out review and someone they get lots of value from it and they decide to check it out, you get paid that commission. Now, you might be thinking, how can I create videos if I've never done this before? And maybe you aren't, comfortable getting on camera. Well, the good news is with this exact strategy, you don't even have to show your face on video. What you could do is you could just record your computer screen, and with digital products, that's probably the better way to go about it anyway. What you could do is you can use a tool such as Screencast-O-Matic or OBS Project. So these are 2 free screen recorders that you could use, and I've actually used both of these screen recorders myself. These tools allow you to record your computer screen, and you could pretty much, review any digital product. You could do any, computer tutorial with these softwares right here, but you could download it for free. It's available on both, Mac and Windows, and you can pretty much give a well thought out review for that specific product. So this is one way you can go about it. You can create video reviews, but the other way you can go about it is by doing written reviews. So if you have a website set up, one thing that you could do is you can choose to create written reviews of the exact product. So if you want to create a written review for Commission Hero or any other product inside of Clickbank, what you could do is you could set up your own blog and you could choose to write reviews for that specific product. And the benefit is, if you are reviewing like a lot of new products, it's going to be very easy for you to, of course, get ranked in the search engine. But let's say that you don't even want to set up your own website and you just want to, get started without having to buy a domain or anything like that. One other thing you could do is you could use a platform like Medium.com. And Medium.com is a lot like YouTube in a way where, you are creating content on a specific platform, except this is primarily for blogging. So think about like YouTube, except, primarily for like blogging, right? So the benefit with Medium.com is because since this site has been around for a very long time, it's a very high authority website, it's gonna be very easy for you to rank articles with Medium.com. And you could, not only can you get paid for product sales, but with Medium.com, you could also get paid from, Google AdSense as well, much like with YouTube. So that's also the benefit with this exact strategy here. But the important thing with this exact strategy is you have to be consistent. You have to be doing this on a regular basis. You cannot just be, okay, I'm just going to review one product on here and hope to get rich right away, because chances are if you do that, if you do this for the very first time, you're not going to make sales right away, because this does take time to, of course, you have to, of course, practice, you have to get better at it. And the more experience that you have doing this, the easier it's going to be for you to, of course, make sales with this exact strategy. Now, the one question that I want to really address in this video that you might have on your mind is, if there's lots of competition for this exact product that you're of course looking into, how can someone who is completely new with no following, put up a review and get sales, without having to worry about, the product being too saturated? Well, there's two things that you could do about this. To ensure that you can, of course, get sales with this method. One of which is you can go through multiple products, and you could even look at like products that were like recently released. So if you look at like, let's see here, it's like average sale, initial sale, average retail total. You could look at, either popularity or gravity, and you could look at products that, either have like a low gravity, ones that aren't, very popular, and you could choose to see if there's a lot of reviews for that. If you find a product that doesn't really have, much reviews of it, and there aren't many people talking about it, then that's one thing you could do, is you can create a review for that specific product. Or what you could also do, and this is actually what I prefer, is you could head on over to a site like Launchjacking, and you could look at products that have not been released to the marketplace. So this is actually a really cool strategy that I wanted to also share in this video, called Launchjacking. And the way how this works is you could find products that have not yet been released to the marketplace, and you could choose to create a review for that specific product. So what you could actually do is, like in this case right here, it shows on the 25th of May, which is 3 days from now, there's going to be a product releasing on Clickbank called Rank and Rent Club, and this is going to be released by Todd Spears. It looks like it'll be priced around, somewhere around $1,000 to $2,000, meaning that one single sale of this product alone could get you a pretty big commission that you can, of course, assume right there. So it doesn't exactly say, how much you could, of course, get per sale, but if the product is priced pretty high, you best believe that it's going to be a pretty big commission that you will get from one single sale of this product. So what you could do is you could open up this product right here, and if you head on over to where it says JV page, this will bring you to the page where you can, of course, learn more about this exact product right here. So this pretty much has a video pretty much going over, what it's all about. And what you could do is you could request your own affiliate link. And also on top of that, what you could do is you could reach out to one of the members. So oftentimes, the product creator will have their contact information somewhere on here where you could reach out to them. I'm trying to see if it's on here somewhere. So it doesn't look like it's anywhere on this page in particular, but you could either try and look up their name on Facebook, or you can go back to Launchjacking and find a different product that has, of course, contact one of the members. Let me see if I could find someone real quick. So here's another product that I actually found inside of Launchjacking. I'm like forgetting the name for some reason. It's called Video Tick. I assume this is like about TikTok or something like that. And they got a video right here. It shows it'll be launching on May 27th. And if I scroll down to the very bottom of the page, there's a section where it says, got any questions? If you need any help regarding this launch, we are here to help. So you could reach out to any of these guys on Skype, or in this case, I could reach out to this guy on Facebook right here, and I could send them a personal message requesting access to a review copy. And then if this product is completely brand new, if there isn't, much people talking about it, but, if there's gonna be lots of people doing research about it, these guys are gonna want to get as much traffic to this offer as possible. And one of the best ways is, of course, with product reviews. So what you could do is you could send them a message on Facebook, and you could say something along the lines of, hey, I just found, your new product that you're, of course, releasing. Would you be open to providing me with a free review copy? I'm interested in reviewing it on my YouTube channel or your blog, whatever it is that you plan to do. Written reviews, video reviews, either one is, of course, more traffic for them. And in many cases, they will be open to providing you with a free review copy. So when they give you access to that product, where you can, of course, log in either to a demo account, or if they allow you some trial account, you can go through the product yourself, and then you could choose to create a video review. So again, you could do this either with written reviews on medium.com, your own website, or you can use a screen recording tool and then upload that to YouTube. So those are the two ways you can use to make money with Clickbank. If you're completely brand new, if you have absolutely nothing to invest, and you don't have lots of time, if you're completely brand new with no following, anything like that, then this is easily, I think, absolutely the best way when it comes to making money on Clickbank. So hope you got lots of value in this video. If you did, be sure to let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Give this a thumbs up. But if you want to learn more about how to make money online, with YouTube, or how to grow an online business, now I do have a free training you could actually check out in my description down below. So this very first link right here will take you to my free 4-day training that I put together. And this is going to show you how to build a highly profitable business online by selling other people's products. So if you want to get access to this, you could just enter your first name, your email, and then click on the button right there. And from there, you'll get access to video number 1. Otherwise, if you want to learn how to create a profitable YouTube channel without showing your face, if you want to actually, build like an entire business just with YouTube alone, and, be able to make passive income without actually filming yourself, you could actually check out my free YouTube training right here. And this is going to show you how to find affiliate products that sell themselves and how to quickly attract buyers without doing keyword research. You're also going to learn how to make viral videos with your voice in 15 minutes without showing your face. And you're also going to learn how to go from 0 to 1,000 subscribers in the shortest amount of time possible. And this is known as the snowball method. So if you want to check out this training right here, all you have to do is click on this button right here. And from here, you just have to just select the time that would be best for you to attend. Select your time zone, first name, email, and then click on the button. And from there, you'll be well on your way to making a passive income right from YouTube. So anyways, hope you enjoyed this video again. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Give this a thumbs up if you found this helpful. But anyways, take care.